Welcome back to Vid Gadget, your ultimate destination for the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we're diving into the world of grooming and self-care because we know that finding the perfect beard trimmer can be a game changer. If you're in the market for a beard trimmer in 2023 to 2024, you're in the right place. We've done the research, tested the gadgets, and we're here to reveal the best beard trimmers you absolutely shouldn't buy without watching this first. Stay tuned for expert insights, in-depth reviews, and all the trimming tips you need to up your grooming game. Number 5. The Braun Beard Trimmer BT7240 is an exceptional grooming tool, outperforming its predecessors with enhanced sharpness, speed, and efficiency. Featuring a precision dial with 39 length settings in 0.5 mm increments, it simplifies the process of achieving your desired beard length and style effortlessly. Equipped with lifetime sharp metal blades, it consistently delivers even and precise beard trimming and hair clipping. This trimmer's main beard trimmer head allows you to craft accurate lines and edges along your neck and cheeks, ensuring a well-groomed appearance. Built with German technology and an ergonomic design, it offers both quality and comfort. With 100 minutes of cordless trimming on just a 1-hour charge, it accommodates extended grooming sessions. It also makes for an excellent gift choice for various occasions like Christmas, birthdays, and anniversaries, suitable for husbands, boyfriends, dads, and any discerning man in your life. Additionally, it's suggested as a thoughtful Braun Father's Day gift for your dad, brother, or husband on Father's Day, offering the gift of a perfect shave. Number 4. The Wahl Lithium-Ion Plus Stainless Steel Grooming Kit is a powerful and precise grooming solution for men. It boasts improved sharpness, speed, and efficiency compared to previous Braun trimmers. With a precision dial offering 39 length settings in 0.5 mm increments, achieving your desired beard length and style is effortless. The trimmer features lifetime sharp metal blades for consistent and even trimming. Its main beard trimmer head is designed for creating precise lines and edges on the neck and cheeks, ensuring a well-groomed appearance. Built with German technology and an ergonomic design, it delivers 100 minutes of cordless trimming on just a 1-hour charge. It's a great gift option for various occasions, including Christmas, birthdays, and anniversaries, making it suitable for husbands, boyfriends, dads, and any man in your life who values grooming excellence. Number 3. The Remington MB4700 is a high-performance beard trimmer packed with features for precise and convenient grooming. Its memory settings store your previous trimming lengths, ensuring consistency in your beard style. The motorized comb provides up to 175 length settings with 0.1 mm increments, displayed on a digital touchscreen, allowing you to achieve your desired beard length effortlessly. Maintenance is a breeze with full washability, making it easy to clean under running water. The lithium-ion battery offers both corded and cordless use, providing up to 50 minutes of runtime on a full charge. The auto turbo feature is a smart addition, as it senses and adjusts the cutting speed to match your beard's thickness, delivering efficient and comfortable trimming for different beard types. In summary, the Remington MB4700 is a versatile and user-friendly grooming tool that combines precision, convenience, and adaptability to meet your beard grooming needs effectively. Number 2. The Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000 is a comprehensive grooming solution featuring self-sharpening dual-cut trimmer blades, eliminating the need for blade oil and ensuring long-lasting, hassle-free performance. The steel blades and guards can be easily detached and rinsed, simplifying the cleaning process without concerns of rust. Powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, it offers an impressive 6 hours of cordless runtime with just a 1-hour charge. Moreover, it can be used while charging, providing uninterrupted grooming. This grooming kit is versatile, suitable for all hair types, mustaches, and beards, thanks to its multiple attachments and guards. It includes various trimmers, guards, and even an eyebrow trimming guard. The package also comes with a premium travel case and a cleaning brush, making it a convenient, all-in-one solution for your grooming needs. Number 1. The Braun Series 9 is a 13-in-1 grooming kit designed for men, offering a wide range of grooming options such as trimming, detailing, contouring, fading, body grooming, precision shaving, and ear and nose trimming. It features the Pro Wheel with 40 length settings in 0.02-inch increments and Pro Lock to secure your chosen length, ensuring precise grooming without mistakes. The included beard and hair combs offer lengths from 0.5 mm to 20 mm, making it suitable for various hair lengths and styles. The Pro Blade technology guarantees efficient and comfortable grooming, even in tricky areas. Braun's AutoSense technology adapts to different hair types and thicknesses for consistent results. The trimmer is built to last, with a powerful Lithium battery providing up to 100 minutes of cordless runtime, lifetime sharp blades, and a convenient charging stand. It also comes with a premium storage case for organization and portability. Overall, the Braun Series 9 is a versatile, precise, and long-lasting grooming solution for men. If you liked the video, then please like, comment, and share it with your friends, so that they can also benefit from it. Finally, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the first notification of the next video.